Hi, it's Willem here, and today I'm going to talk about how to audit your cleaning service. Very important part of the entire contract cleaning process because it really does follow up as to whether or not you're receiving the service you believe that you should be receiving. I'm a huge fan of Peter Drucker, and he was the person who originally came up with this saying: if you can't measure it, you can't improve it. And I think that is just so correct. Numbers tell you everything. Now, auditing your cleaning doesn't need to be complicated. In fact, you can use the old-fashioned way with just a paper and pencil and a list of things that either they're done or they're not done. But the way we do it is through using a program called Auditor. So Auditor will allow you to give a grading, and if things aren't up to the standard they want, it allows you to put in photos so the cleaner knows what it is they need to improve and work on, and then give you an overall score. So we find this an invaluable tool to make sure our clients are delighted with the service we offer. It's really integral to follow this up on at least a monthly basis, and our key clients we even audit more often than that. So there you go. That's how you audit your cleaning service. If you'd like to know a little bit more, why not give us a call on 1300 763 365, and we'd be delighted to come out and have a chat to you.